Hello, good evening, all of you. Good evening. So, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So, guys, we are back again. As promised with you, we will have a marathon session for the BARC, and we are going to take this marathon session for the BARC. Guys, today is the second episode of it. The first episode Krishna sir has taken, and the next episode, that is the third episode, will be taken by Ansari sir. We will soon let you know when Ansari sir is going to take the next episode. First of all, guys, do let me know just that, is audio video clear? Do let me know in the comment box, is audio video clear? Is audio video clear, guys? Please do let me know in the comment box. Is audio video clear? Is audio video clear, guys? Do let me know in the comment box. Please do let me know in the comment box that is audio video clear. And I hope and pray everybody is fine and shine, guys. I hope and pray everybody is fine and shine. Yes, audio video is clear. I just got it checked. So guys, shall we start the session? Shall we start the session? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Nareshji. Thank you for your reception. So let me start the session, guys. First, let me introduce you myself. Basically, I'm Ankit Sharma, an ex-IES officer, having teaching experience more than 12 years. And guys, I have mentored many students. Good evening, Nareshji, good evening. I have mentored many students every year, and those students, by achieving very good rank, whether it is the exam of engineering services, whether it is the exam of GATE, whether it is the exam of BARC, or any state level AEJE exam, they have achieved their rank such that they have made me feel proud by year. And guys, you are also one of them. Guys, you can interact with me by joining my Telegram group, that is Civil by Ankit Sir. So you can join it. So guys, are you ready with the questions? If yes, please give me thumbs up in the live chat section. And guys, don't forget to like the session and subscribe our channel. By liking the session, you will let me know that how much you are benefited by this session, and by subscribing our channel, basically you can take part in the live chat section. So guys, are you ready? Just let me know that. Are you guys ready? Shall I start the session? Yes or no? I have brought 60 questions, guys. 60 questions. Now, how much time that 60 questions takes, I don't know. I'm not aware about it. So it will be a marathon session. Up to the time those 60 questions are exhausted, we are with us. We are all together. So guys, shall I start? Okay, cool. Let's start the session. This is the first question. That is basically, hypotenuse allowance is given by the expression adopting the standard convention. So what is hypotenuse allowance? 1 minus sec theta into measured distance, 1 minus cos theta into measured distance, and basically sec theta minus 1 measured distance, cos theta minus 1 measured distance. So guys, first of all, what is being asked? Take care about this. What is being asked? The thing which is asked over here, that is the hypotenuse allowance. So what is the answer for hypotenuse allowance? Very good, Nareshji, very good. Answer will be what? C. Very good, Rajiv ji. And guys, I have a small request to you. Please share this session in every Telegram group. Just take few seconds out of your time and just share the session with your friends so that the maximum people can join and take the benefit of this beautiful session. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So guys, please do share the session with your friends and do like the session. Did you like the session, guys? Did you like the session? Yes or no? So what will be the answer? Answer will be C. Now guys, if basically correction for slope would have been asked, that we show by CG, then basically what would have been the answer? If correction for slope would have been asked, then what would have been the answer? Answer would have been cos theta minus 1 into measured distance, that is L. Now basically if they would have asked error in slope, that is EG, then what would have been answer? Answer would have been 1 minus cos theta into L. So basically this thing you have to remember, this thing you have to take care, because you are having the knowledge. You shall not commit the mistake just because of negligence. Just because of negligence. Good evening Akash ji, good evening. Good evening. Next question guys, next question. The correction for SAG is sometimes additive and sometimes subtractive. Always additive, always subtractive, 0. Guys, there is a lot of confusion among students with this question. So do let me know what will be the answer. Do let me know what will be the answer. What will be the answer? Please do let me know what will be the answer. What will be the answer? Correction for SAG. Correction for SAG. Generally students are confused with this. Basically it will be positive, it will be negative, or it will be both ways, positive and negative. Anup ji is the first one and Naresh ji is the first one. Okay, Rajiv ji, Anup ji, Naresh ji, everybody is telling that it is negative, that is always subtractive. Yes, bang on target guys, bang on target. It is always what? Subtractive. It is always subtractive. Guys, I am over here with basically four subjects right now. First of all, we are discussing surveying, then PERT CPM we will discuss, then basically we will discuss BMC and irrigation. 15 questions of each subject. 15 questions of each subject, covering the whole subject in these 15 questions. Agreed? Clear? Next question. The whole circle bearing of line AB and BC are 30 degree and 120 degree. What is interior angle ABC between line AB and BC? So guys, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Very good Akash ji, always negative, definitely. So what will be the answer? What is the answer guys? What is the answer? So guys, do let me know what is the answer. Good evening Krishna ji, good evening. So what is the answer? I'm waiting for an answer guys. You know this question can be solved without any calculation. This question can be solved without any calculation. Why? Okay, Naresh ji is giving the answer as C. Naresh ji is giving the answer as C. Naresh ji and everyone just look at the question. What is being asked in the question? The interior angle ABC. Right? It's not included angle ABC. So it is interior angle. So interior angle generally in any kind of polygon, interior angle is less than 90. Interior angle is less than 90. Right? So basically my probable answer would be 90 degree by going the options only. By going the options only without doing any calculation. Right? Without doing any calculation. Now if I do the calculation, basically this angle is 30, next angle is 120. Right? This angle is 120 degree and basically this angle is 30 degree. What is being asked? In the question it is being asked the interior angle, and that is this one. So basically how much will be this angle? This angle 30 degree, this angle 60 degree. Right? So as in total it will become 90 degree angle, and as we try to predict the answer, we are almost there. We are almost there. Guys, if you are liking my techniques, please do like the session. I just want only one thing from you, that is to like the session. That is the only fees you have to pay to me. That is the only fees you have to pay to me. And if you are more kind enough, you can share the session with your friends. You can share the session with your friends, right? Clear? Chaliye, next question. The following bearings are taken in a running closed compass traverse ABCD. A. One would suspect the local attraction at stations. Local attraction at stations. So guys, the first of all what I require from you, that guys basically please read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Yes, Rajiv ji, included angle is 270. Included angle is 270 in that case, but basically in the question it has been asked the interior angle, right? In the question it has been asked the interior angle. So basically in case of local attraction, at first what do? we determine a line whose forebearing and back bearing differs exactly by 180 degree. So how to do that? So guys, you can see over here I have 15 minutes, 0 minutes. So these will not be differing by 180 degree. This is 30 minute, 15 minute, again not 180 degree. 15 minute, 45 minute, again not 180 degree. The difference will not be 180 degree in these three lines. That is BC, CD and DA. But as we can observe, in line AB the difference is 180 degree. So A and B are free. A and B are free from local attraction. These are free from local attraction. So there are 4 stations A, B, C, D. So which stations are having local attraction? So over here basically it has been asked, one would suspect, means they are asking which stations are having local attraction. So which stations are having local attraction? C and D. So the answer will be what? C. Answer will be C. Yes, exactly. Rajiv ji is right, Naresh ji is right, Anup ji is right, Akash ji is right, and Surya ji is right. Very good guys, very good, very good. So this is the technique. Did you like this technique? Did you like this technique of observation? Yes or no? Please let me know in the comment box. Please let me know in the comment box. Did you like this technique? Did you like this technique, guys? Next question. Next question. Next question. In a close traverse, the sum of south latitude exceeds the sum of north latitude, and the sum of east departure exceeds the sum of west departure. The closing line will lie in. Over here basically they are asking about what? Closing line. So let us understand. See, my technique of solving the question is I give izzat to the question, because there is a law. There is a law of mine. That law says that izzat given to the question is directly proportional to izzat received. So I give utmost respect to the question. I give utmost respect to the question. Guys, they are asking what? The closing line. Now basically you should be aware about that. Closing line is nothing but closing error. Closing line is also called as closing error, and closing error is also called as error of closure. So they can ask you the same very question by all these names. So you should be aware about it. They can ask you all these questions by, they can ask you these same questions by all these names. Guys, agreed? So you must be aware about it. You must be aware about it. Agreed? So basically now let us go to the concept. Now one more thing. Basically during our childhood we have studied trigonometry, right? In case of trigonometry the quadrants were like this: first, second, third and fourth. This was followed in trigonometry, right? But in traversing or in surveying the quadrants are like this: first, second, third and fourth. So please do take care about this. Please do take care about this. Basically over here the system is clockwise, right? Now let us understand this. The sum of north latitude and the sum of, basically the sum of south latitude exceeds the sum of north latitude. So basically south latitude exceeds the sum of north latitude. Further, and the sum of east departure exceeds the sum of west departure. So east departure is exceeding the west departure, right? So closing error will be in the second quadrant. So what will be the answer? This is north, south, east, west. So it is in second quadrant. Answer will be what? C, southeast quadrant. So how many of you are right? How many of you are right? Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Rajiv ji, you are also right. Absolutely right. Correction will be, if asked correction will be in which quadrant, then the guys, if closing error is in second quadrant, then the correction will be in which quadrant? Correction will be just in opposite quadrant with the same value of theta. If this is the value of theta, this will be the value of theta. This is correction. Correction. Agreed, guys? So in one question we are studying many things. Okay, Shantanu ji, no issues, no issues, no issues. Your presence is important and your learning is important. It's never to be late. Next question. Next question, to find the RL of a roof slab of a building, the staff readings were taken from a particular setup of leveling instrument. The readings were 1.05 meter with staff on benchmark and 2.300 meter with staff below on roof slab and held inverted. Okay guys, so inverted, staff is held what? Inverted. This reading is inverted, right? This reading is inverted. So we have to take care about this reading. This is a case of inverted staff. Taking the RL of the benchmark as 135.15, the RL of the roof slab will be. So guys, it's a very easy question. It's a very easy question, right? Now, do you want me to solve this technically? See, if you want the answer, I can simply give you the answer. 135.15 plus, okay, let me write it, 135.15 plus 2.300, right, plus 1.050. So what will be the answer? 00451, carry over. So it will be how much? 9. 139.0500. Okay, did I make a mistake or what? Okay, sorry, 138. This will be 138.500. Right? 138.500. Answer will be D. But if you ask me the technical solution of it, so basically in that case, I will give you the RL of HI. RL of HI. That will be how much? 135.150 plus on benchmark the reading is taken as 2.300. So it will be how much? 137.450, right? Now RL of roof slab, how much it will be? RL of roof slab 137.450, and which reading is inverted? Okay, basically the reading was over here, right? That is 1.050. This is the benchmark reading. So 136.1002, right? So it will be 136.200. Now minus 2.300. See, when the staff is inverted, we take the reading as what? Negative. When the staff is inverted, we take the reading as negative. So this is the technical solution and this is the objective solution. This is the objective solution and this is the technical solution. You will get the same answer. You get the same answer. So is that okay guys? Shall I move to the next question? Do let me know in the comment box. Shall I move to the next question? Yes or no? Chaliye, next question. Next question. This is the question. This is the question. Consider the following statements. Reciprocal leveling eliminates the effect of error due to Earth's curvature, error due to atmospheric refraction, mistakes in taking the leveling staff readings, error due to line of collimation. Guys, for your information, I will just let you know one thing. Basically, this cannot be eliminated by any of the method. Mistake cannot be eliminated, it can only be avoided. Mistakes can never ever be eliminated, they can only be avoided. So basically this option will be what? Wrong. This option will be wrong, absolutely wrong, right? So when this option is wrong, we can directly eliminate A option, B option, C option, and answer will be D, Delhi. Answer will be D, Delhi. So guys, is that okay? Shall I move to the next question? Are you satisfied with the answer? And guys, don't forget to like the session. Don't forget to like the session. Right? Don't please forget to like the session. See, it's not about human error. There can be many reasons. There can be many reasons of the mistake, like carelessness, misunderstanding or poor judgment. That is not about the human error. That is not only about the human error. Right? Chaliye, next question. Next question, guys. The point A and B are 1530 meter apart across a river. The reciprocal levels measured at are given as below. The true difference in level between A and B would be. So guys, these are the readings. This question pertains to which topic? किस topic का question है? Basically this question pertains to reciprocal leveling. It is the topic of reciprocal leveling. So guys, what will be the answer over here? See, while approaching this question, you have to take care of one thing. You have to take care of one thing. And guys, what thing you have to take care of this? Basically, in which order the readings are written. Basically, the readings are written in terms of columns, or basically the readings are written in terms of row. Over here the readings are written where? Basically, see, instrument is kept over here. Basically, there has to be 2 row, there has to be 2 column. So what examiner does to basically trouble you, or they play with you, basically they change the orientation of row and column. They change the orientation of row and column, like transpose matrix, right? 2 by 2 matrix. So basically that is the case. So that you have to take care about it. Over here, basically we have to see this. Basically the readings will be like this. The readings are like this. This is A and B, right? So 3.7 minus 2.1 average of their difference plus 1.9 minus 0.9. Agreed? Divided by 2. This is 1.6 plus 1 divided by 2. So 2.6, right? Divide by 2. That will be 1.3. So what is the answer? 1.3. And can you just let me know which station is lower, A or B? Which station is lower, A or B? राजीव जी कह रहे हैं कि ऑर्डर पता करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है. राजीव जी, वही चीज मैंने अभी आपको समझाया है. That's what I have told you, or that's what I have taught you. Yes, answer is 1.3. Answer is 1.3. Surya ji, absolutely, answer is 1.3. That's what you have to take care, right? Which station is lower, A or B? Which station is lower, A or B? A or B? Which station is lower? Rajiv ji is the first one to tell that B is lower. Shantanu ji is telling B is lower. Naresh ji is telling B is lower. Rajiv ji, which station is lower, A or B? So guys, apart from the question, I am giving you other knowledges also. Apart from the question, I'm trying to give you the other knowledge also, right? Yes, since staff reading at station B is more than the staff reading at station A, so definitely station B is lower than station A. So in this question, they can also ask you that they have given you the RL of station A. Let us say if RL of station A is 100, then RL of B will be equal to how much? 100 minus 1.3, and that will be 98.7 meters, right? This could also be an extension of it. This could also be an extension of it. Agreed, everyone? Agreed. So guys, do like the session. Next question, question number 9. Yes guys, very good. See, that could be another option, right? They can ask you like that. It will not be 99.7 Naresh ji. You have deleted your answer, but I have read it. It will be 98.7. Right? Yes, 98.7. Very good, everyone. So, next question. Which one is correct expression for the horizontal distance between the instrument and the staff for tachymeter fitted with analytic lens if S is the staff intercept, K and C are multiplying constant and additive constant? So basically, what will be the answer? What will be the answer of this question? Can you guys let me know what will be the answer of this question? What will be the answer of this question? D. Shantanu ji is telling D. Surikant ji is telling D. Very good guys, very good. See, it will be Ks, right? It will be Ks because in this case D is equal to Ks plus C. Since telescope is fitted with analytic lens, this becomes 0, and it is not necessary that always K will be 100. See, K depends on a factor that is F by I. This ratio is generally kept 100, but it is not necessary that always it will be 100. Always it will be 100. Yes guys, very good, very good. Very good guys, very good, good going. Next question. Next question, 10th one. Which of the following methods of computing area assumes that the short length of boundary between the ordinates are parabolic arc? Average ordinate, mid ordinate rule, Simpson's rule, trapezoidal rule. So what is the answer? Yes, C0 for analytic lens. Akash ji, very good. What is the answer? What is the answer guys? What is the answer? What is the answer to this question? I am waiting for your answer. Everyone. Guys, did you share the session with your friends? Did you share the session with your friends? Shantanu ji is asking me whether the answer is C. Yes, Shantanu ji, answer is C. Akash ji is confident. Naresh ji is confident. Answer is what? C. That is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule. Agreed guys? Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is our answer. This is our answer. Very good guys. Very good. Next question. Let's not waste the time and let's move to the next question. Next question. Pick out the correct statement for relief displacement in aerial photograph. Okay, very beautiful question it is guys. Very beautiful question. Yes, Shantanu ji, answer was C. Answer was C. Absolutely. Absolutely guys. Absolutely. So, please do let me know. So what is the answer? It increases as the distance from the principal point decreases. So guys, relief displacement D is equal to R H2 upon H minus H1. Right? So basically what is R? R is distance of top of image from principal point. From principal point H2, that is elevation of object, right? Capital H. Basically this is flying height of aeroplane from datum. Aeroplane from datum. Basically H1, this is elevation of base of object from datum, right? Now please give me the answer. No Narsingh ji, it's not mid-ordinate, it's Simpson's 1/3 rule. Basically, during the derivation of Simpson's 1/3 rule, it is assumed. During the derivation of Simpson's 1/3 rule, it is assumed. So guys, let us check this. It increases as the distance from the principal point decreases. So guys, this is wrong, because if R increases, relief displacement increases. Right? It is positive and radially outward for the points above datum. That is absolutely true. It is positive and radially outwards from the point below datum. No, it is negative and radially inwards. Radially inwards. It increases for the points vertically below exposure station. It increases for the points vertically below exposure station. If the point is below exposure station, what will happen guys? R will become 0, right? R will become 0, so it will become 0. So answer will be Bombay. Answer is Bombay, right? This is my correct answer. Next question. Next question. A circular curve of radius r connects two straights with a deflection angle of 60 degree. The tangent length is basically, how much is the tangent length? T is equal to r tan delta by 2, right? So T is equal to r tan 30 degree. So tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. So that is equal to root 3 by 3, right? So how much it will be? Root 3 is how much? Very good, very good. Root 3 is how much? 1.73, right? So divided by 3, what will be the answer? A. That is our answer. Right? Very good. Next question. This one. The question is very lengthy, guys. It pertains to theory of error, and basically in this question we have summarized everything. Yes, guys. Yes. Very good. Very good. The answer is A. Very good. Very good. Answer will be A. Very good. Now, this is the question. Which one of the following statements are rightly associated with the laws of weight in the theory of error? If an equation is multiplied by its own weight, then the weight of resulting equation is equal to reciprocal of the weight of the original equation. This is absolutely true. Yes, this is absolutely true. Right? This is absolutely true. Next, the weight of algebraic sum of two or more quantities is equal to reciprocal of sum of individual weights. No, it is equal to reciprocal of sum of individual weights. It is equal to reciprocal of sum of reciprocal of their individual weights, right? So that is basically 1 upon plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. X and y could be the weights. Right? Next, if the quantity of given weight is multiplied by a factor, then the weight of resulting equation is obtained by dividing the original weight by the square root of that factor. No, it is not the square root, rather it is what? Square of that factor, right? So third one is also wrong. If the quantity of given weight is divided by a factor, then the weight of resulting quantity is obtained by multiplying the original weight by the square of that factor. Yes, this is absolutely true. So guys, I will just tell you one thing. Basically this statement and first, third and fourth law, these are interrelated. So first and 4 are right. So answer will be what? C. Answer will be C. 1 and 4 are right. Answer is C. That is 1 and 4 are right. Right? These are right. Agreed? Any doubt with this? Anyone having doubt with this? Shall I move to next question? The new people who are joining the session, I have a humble request to you. Please do like the session. The new people who are joining the session right now, who have joined the session, I have a humble request. Please like the session. Guys, anybody having any issue? In this question? Let me know. Okay, fine. Let me proceed. See, don't hesitate to ask the question. Doubts are like cancer. Don't take them with your home. Just throw at me. I will answer. Right? I will answer them. Now, the method of plane tabling commonly used for establishing the instrument station is a method of radiation, intersection, resection or traversing. So what will be the answer? Very beautiful question. Guys, this is a very famous question and asked again and again in every exam by one or the other way. These are asked in many exams by one or the other way. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, Shantanu ji has answered it as B, Narsingh ji C, intersection, Naresh ji Bombay. Guys, first of all, I tell you again and again, Ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to Ijjat received. While reading the question, please try to underline the points. Establishing the instrument station. Establishing the instrument station means what? That station is occupied. Station is occupied. Or station is accessible. Right, station is accessible. In that case, answer will be what? C, resection. If the station is not accessible, then the answer will be intersection. Then the answer will be what? Intersection. Narsingh ji, is it clear? Narsingh ji, is it clear now? Is it clear, everyone? They can ask you basically the station which is accessible, then the answer will be resection. They can ask you the station which is inaccessible, then the answer will be intersection. I for inaccessible, I for intersection. Just remember this. Just remember this. Agreed, guys? Is it clear? Shall I move to next question? Shall I move to next question? Good. Next question, guys. This one. In a plane table survey, the plane table station position was to be fixed with respect to 3 reference points. It was found that one of the reference point was not visible due to some obstruction. So guys, the point is that basically it was fixed with the help of 3 reference points, and now one of the reference point was not visible due to some obstruction. So basically before it was 3-point problem, and now it is what? 2-point problem. Shantanu ji, what shall I repeat? Please let me know clearly in the comment box. I will repeat it. Don't worry, I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it. Right? What do you want me to explain? I'll explain it. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Just let me know in the comment box, honestly. So previously it was 3-point problem. Now it is what? 2-point problem. This is being told in the question. It was therefore decided to make use of other 2 points only. That's what I told. Now we have to make use of 2 points only. So basically now it's a 2-point problem as told in the question. Right? Next, which one of the following statement is true regarding the determination of station position? Right? So basically previously it was a 3-point problem. Now it's a 2-point problem. So basically we have to think like that. The work can be done faster. No, guys. The work is faster in 3-point problem and the work is slower in 2-point problem. Work is more accurate in 3-point problem and work is less accurate in 2-point problem. So if I tell that 3-point problem is more faster and more accurate, 3-point problem is more faster or more accurate, that's the point, right? Basically the work can be done faster. No, not at all. 2 settings of plane table will be needed, but the work will be accurate. This is right, that 2 settings of plane table will be needed. One is auxiliary station and the one which we want to determine. But it is not accurate. It is not accurate, right? It is not at all accurate. That is also one of the key point. Only 1 setting of plane table is needed. No, guys, no. 2 setting of plane table is needed, right? But over here it is right that it is less accurate. But the first statement is wrong. There are 2 parts in this statement. Next, work will be less accurate and time consuming. This is absolutely true. This is absolutely true. So guys, love the explanation? Are you loving the session? Yes or no? Are you loving the session? Yes or no? Now Shantanu ji has requested me to explain the previous one. See, basically Shantanu ji, just try to understand this. Whenever the station is which is to be plotted on the plane table, the station which is to be plotted on the plane table, that is basically inaccessible, then we go for intersection. Whenever the station is accessible, that is the occupied by the plane table. See, it is occupied by the plane table. So when it is occupied by the plane table, what will happen? You are standing at that station. So when you are standing at that station, it is accessible, and in that case we go for method of resection. Thank you, Shantuji, thank you. So please do share the session with your friends, guys. If you are getting lot of information, please do share the session with your friends, and don't forget to like the session, because the number of like on my video will tell me how many of you have loved it, and that is my motivation. That is only my motivation, and the more motivated I will be putting more energy, and everybody is aware about this, guys. Basically the energy put in anything depends on your motivation, and my motivation is your number of likes. So guys, shall we move to the next subject? Shall we move to the next subject? 15 beautiful questions of survey we have done. Now we have to move to the next subject. Next subject. This is basically PERT CPM. This is basically PERT CPM. Next subject is PERT CPM. So basically consider the following statements in work breakdown structure. It is graphical representation of entire program. Yes, absolutely true. The top to down approach of planning is adopted. Yes. Basically sometimes students are confused whether we go for top to down or whether we go for down to top. So the answer is top to down. Answer is what? Top to down. So don't get confused. So the down to top approach of planning is adopted. So option 3 is wrong. So if 3 is wrong, these will not be the answers. Answer will be 1, 2, 4. It is suitable for complex projects. Yes, it is suitable for large projects. It is suitable for small projects. Both kind of projects. Right? It is suitable for both kind of projects. Agreed, guys? Next, chaliye, next. Basically, assertion and reason. Assertion and reason. A dummy job is assigned 0 time to perform. It is used mainly to specify the precedence relationship. So guys, what will be the answer? A, B, C, D. What will be the answer? Options are before you. So please do let me know. Narsingh Raoji, I don't believe in speed first. I believe in accuracy first, and then speed. And then speed. Speed will come. But first of all, accuracy. Right? When you go to the gym, so basically you have to properly lift the weight. So your posture is right. And then you can lift more weight and in a speedy manner. But if your posture is wrong, basically you will hurt yourself. So over here, by giving the wrong answer, you are hurting yourself. Am I wrong? Am I wrong, everyone? So don't run after speed, run after accuracy. Accuracy matters. No, Shantnuji, answer will be what? A. Please read this question. I am again and again telling Ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to Ijjat received. Ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to Ijjat received. See, dummy job is assigned 0 time to perform. Absolutely right. It is true. It is mainly used to specify precedence relationship. That is also true. What is precedence relationship? That is interrelationship. So this is also true. So somebody was telling, Simant Singh ji was telling C and Shantanu ji was telling C. So basically C is not the option, right? You are telling assertion true and reason is false. So that is not the option. So both of them are right. Now just do one thing. On my suggestion, just do one thing. Please add because in between. And now please read it. Please read it. See, reason, it is mainly used to specify the precedence relationship. Basically, why dummy? See, dummy is an activity which requires neither time or resources. It is mainly used to specify what? Interrelationship or precedence relationship among activities. That's why it is being assigned 0 time. That's why it is being assigned 0 time. Now, if you add because in this, does this make sense? Are these both the statements making sense? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment box. Are they making sense? Are they making sense? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are they making sense? If yes, guys, if yes, then our job is done. If yes, our job is done. Right? So that's why the answer is A. Next question. In PERT analysis, the time estimates of activities and the probability of their occurrence follow normal distribution curve, beta distribution curve, Poisson distribution curve, or binomial distribution curve. Basically, in these type of questions, guys, you have to take care of one thing. Basically, whether it has been asked for event or whether it has been asked for activity. So basically, the time estimates of activities. So when activities are asked, answer will be beta distribution. When project completion time is being asked, answer will be what? Normal distribution curve. Normal distribution curve. So what is the answer over here? Answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Agreed, guys? Answer will be Bombay. Yes or no? Chaliye, next question. Next question. The probability distribution curve to represents the project completion time in PERT analysis. Now you know the answer. Answer is what? Normal distribution. Let us move to the next question. If T0, TM and TP are 4, 5 and 8 days respectively, the expected time will be. If T0, TM and TP, then expected time will be. So what is the expected time, guys? Let me know. Do the calculation and let me know. Do the calculation and let me know. So what is the answer? 5.33. Absolutely. Answer is 5.33. The formula for T is T0 plus 4 times Tm plus Tp divided by 6. So 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 divided by 6. So it will be how much? 20 and 32 by 6. So 5.33. 5.33. Yes, guys, very good. Next question. Consider the following statements of the network. Now, before reading these options, I will read this statement. Which of the following above statements are correctly? See, they can ask you correct and not correct both. So correctly, I'll underline the word correctly. Correctly applicable to CPM networks. So correctly applicable to CPM networks. One time estimate is required for each activity. Yes. In PERT, 3 time estimates are required. Over here, 1 time estimate is required. Very good, Akashji. Your formula is right. 3 time estimates for each activity. No, guys, this is in PERT. The time and cost both are controlling factors. Yes. In case of PERT analysis, time is controlling factor, but in case of CPM analysis, basically the time and cost both are controlling factor. It is built up of event oriented diagram. No, guys, basically PERT is event oriented and CPM is activity oriented. So basically this is wrong. 1 and 3 are right. Answer will be A. Answer will be A. Yes, Naresh ji, absolutely, absolutely. Answer will be what? A. Answer will be A. Agreed. Answer will be A. Next. This one. The earliest date and the latest date of event 3 and 10. Okay, we have event 3 and 10 are given in the above figure. The activity E is connecting. Okay, activity E is connecting. Both the events and the duration is 10 weeks. The independent float of activity is. Okay, basically we have to determine independent float, right? So let me calculate all the float, total float, FT. That will be LFT minus EST minus activity time. So 45 minus 20, right? This is the maximum time available, minus 10. So how much it will be? 25 minus 10, 15. Basically FF, that is FT minus SJ, FT minus SJ. So how much is FT? 15. SJ, that is nothing but slack of head event. So slack of head event is 5. So minus 5. So how much it will be? 10. Now FID, right? That is independent float. That is FF minus SI. So 10 minus SI, that is slack of tail event. It will be how much? 5. So 10 minus 5, it will be again 5. Right? So what is the answer? A, 5 weeks. And who has given the correct answer? Very good. Very good. Narsingh ji, Akash ji, Naresh ji, Garima ji, Shantanu ji. Guys, do hit the like button. I'm asking again and again only one feast. That is, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. Right, please do hit the like button. Chale, next question guys. Next question. That is, the reduction in project time normally results in. The reduction in project time normally results in the decrease in direct cost and the increase in the decrease in direct cost and the increase in indirect cost. The increase in direct cost and decrease in indirect cost. Yes guys. Yes. Increase in both direct and indirect cost. This cannot be the option. Decrease in both. So this cannot be the option. So C and D are not the issues. C and D are not at all the issues, right? So we don't have to think about them. So what is the point? A and B. A and B. So guys, when the time is reduced, we are dead sure that when the time is reduced, the direct cost increases and the indirect cost decreases. The indirect cost decreases. Agreed everyone? Yes or no? So answer will be Bombay. Next question. Next question. Which one of the following is the objective in crashing? So guys, what is the objective in crashing? Reduction in duration, reduction in resources, reduction in cost, reduction in project size. So what is the answer guys? Do let me know the answer. Do let me know the answer. So please do let me know the answer. What is the objective of crashing? No, it is not reduction in resources. The objective of crashing is only one thing, that is reduction in duration. As per the definition of crashing, crashing is the process of reducing the duration of project. Reducing the duration of the project. Nareshji, it is not the cost. It is reducing the duration of the project. Right. It is reducing the duration of the project. Agreed? Next question. This one. How many links are deletable in AON network? So guys, this is which kind of network? AON network shown. So basically, how many links can be deleted? So see this, 1.6 can be deleted, 1.3 can be deleted. Can we delete any more? Can we delete any more? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Why you guys delete your answer? Narsingh, why you guys delete your answer? See, giving answer wrong is not a issue. Making same mistake again and again, that is an issue. So what will be the answer in this case? Shantanu ji is telling 3. Which one is the third one? Shantanu ji, which one is the third one? Which one is the third one? Right. Answer will be C, 2. Only 2 links can be deleted. Okay. See, fine. If it is a typing mistake also, then also you shall not delete your answer. Right. Let it be there. See, we are over here to learn. That is the only objective, guys. That is the only objective. Okay. Basically, there is a saying in a Hindi. I will just tell you. गिरते हैं सहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, गिरते हैं सहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे साहब जो घुटनों के बल चला करते हैं. Right? So the people who are solving will only make mistake, and the people who are not solving, they will never ever make mistake. But a good student will never repeat those mistakes. And then that person will succeed. Then that person will succeed. Agreed, guys? So what is the answer? A construction equipment has initial cost of 2 lakhs and the salvage value of 50,000 at the end of economic life of 5 years. The rate of straight line depreciation and the total depreciation. So guys, how much is the depreciation? 2 lakhs and 50,000. The depreciation is 1,50,000. So answer cannot be this. This cannot be the answer, right? Answer cannot be this. This can never be the answer. Now the rate of depreciation in straight line method is 1 by n. The straight line depreciation, the rate is 1 by n, and that is how much? 0.2, because n is 5 years. So answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Agreed, everyone? Yes, 1 by 5. Next question. This one. A bar chart of 4 activities indicating their schedule start and finish end of day values and the resource requirement per day are given below. What will be the maximum and minimum resources needed on any of the days? So maximum and minimum resources needed at any of the days. So guys, when will be the maximum resource? When the maximum number of activities takes place generally. And when will be the minimum resource? When generally one activity is taking and particular that activity which requires the least resource. So out of all these activities, which activity is requiring the least resource? Sir, why T is 1 by N? Akash ji, I did not get you. Why T is 1 by N? Why T is 1 by N, or basically it is something else? T or rate? It is rate, right? So basically just let me know that. So basically this particular activity requires the least, right? And on this particular day, that is between 16th and 19th, only this activity is happening. So answer can be one of them. Now we have to check the maximum one, right? On this particular day, that is the 20th or 21st. Basically all these activities are happening. That is 9, 7 plus 6. That is 22. So basically this will not be the answer. Answer will be option A. Answer will be option A. It's not, Shantanuji, it's not 21. It's 22. Akashji, what you are asking? Why it is? Okay. See, basically this is the rate. This is the rate by which the depreciation is taking place. See, depreciation CI minus CS by N, right? So basically on numerator you have amount of depreciation, right? And this is the time period. So 1 by time period is nothing but the rate of depreciation. That is the rate of depreciation. Got the logic? Yes, Shantnuji, you committed a mistake. Understood? Or do you want more detail of this? Do you further want more detail of this? I can derive everything. I can derive everything, but that will be a waste of time. Right? Next question. The process of incorporating changes in a network by replanning and rescheduling is called. So guys, this is a standard definition. This is a standard definition. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? This is a standard definition. So what will be the answer? What is the answer? Answer will be option C, that is updating. Answer will be option C. That is updating. Is it clear? Clear? Next question. Shall I move to next question? Guys, if you are learning and if you are basically acknowledging this fact that I am giving you a beautiful session on this platform of BYJU'S exam prep, then please do one favor to me, that please do hit the like button. That will only tell me whether you are liking the session or not. If you are liking the session, then basically I'll come to know that you have loved the session, and that will motivate me to bring further such sessions. And guys, just for your information, I am bringing a session tomorrow with one of my student, Shashwat Srivastava, and he has basically had a great journey. Initially he got 3000 rank, then he got 1000 rank, and then he became gate rank 13, 2-digit rank 13, 1-3, and also he is topper of various exams. In UPPSC he is rank holder 4th with the irrigation department. So tomorrow 5 PM there is a talk basically with Shashwat on this same platform. Right? Okay, Shantnuji is asking A and B. Don't worry Shantnuji, I knew about it. You will ask me this, and you will surprised to know that the next question. I knew that you will ask me this. Right? So guys, do join me tomorrow. Do join tomorrow at 5 PM also. See, now the marks does not matter, Shantnuji. What matters, that is the rank. Right? And further, if you guys want, I can bring more students on this platform. ESC rank 2 is my student, ESC rank 3 is my student, GATE rank 5 is my student. I have many students like this. And I have mentored them personally. I have mentored Shashwat personally. During COVID, he was under my mentorship. And tomorrow you can ask him. Right, so what is the answer? Updating a network may result in decreasing the project completion time, increasing the project completion time, changing the critical path. It results all of them. Changing the critical path and increasing or decreasing the project completion time. Answer will be D. And now Shantnuji, your question. Yes, Shantnuji, he is my offline student also. He is my college junior also. He is my offline student also. Right guys, so what is the answer of this question? Shantnuji, you are asking me, right? Resource leveling constraint is on project duration, resources, both project duration and resources. Neither project duration and resources. See, we have two things. One is resource. smoothing and one is resource leveling. Basically, in resource smoothing, critical path is not changed. In this, critical path can be changed. So critical path is not changed, so project duration is not changed. Critical path can change, so project duration can change. Right? Further, resources are unlimited in this, and in this resources are limited. Just remember like this: resource leveling, resources are limited. Resource leveling, RL, resources are limited. So if resources are limited, critical path will change and project duration will change. Is your problem solved, Shantanu ji? Is your problem solved? Now, this you were asking me. I knew that you guys will ask me, so I had this question with me. Guys, do hit the like button. Do like the session if you are liking the knowledge given by me, the methodology. Do hit the like button. Agreed, guys? So what will be the answer? They are asking about the resource leveling. The constraint is on. What? Constraint is on. Right? Resources. Not the project duration. Project duration can change. Good, guys, good. Next. Now, guys, this is the question of BMC. Please check the question. Please check the question. So, guys, what is the answer? See, tricalcium silicate, this is in the maximum quantity, so it will be 2, and then dicalcium silicate after that, so it will be 1. Tricalcium aluminate, that is after it, so it will be 8 to 12, 4, and this will be 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Answer will be option C. Answer will be option C. Agreed? Next. Pick up the correct statement from the following. High percentage of C3S and low percentage of C2S cause rapid hardening. High percentage of C3S and low percentage of C2S cause rapid hardening. Is that true? Yes, it is absolutely true. Yes, alite, belite, salite and phthalate. These are the names, Shantanu. Alite, belite, salite and phthalate. F for foreign. F for friend, special friend, right? So basically, this is true, absolutely true. High percentage of C3S and low percentage of C2S make the cement less resistive to chemical attack. Yes, guys, C3S is more prone to chemical attack and C2S is more resistance to chemical attack. So what is being told? High percentage of C3S and low percentage of C2S make the cement less resistive to chemical attack. Yes, guys, in this case we'll be having rapid hardening. In this case we'll be having rapid hardening, but it is more prone to chemical attack. It is more prone to chemical attack. Further, low percentage of C3S and high percentage of C2S contribute to slow hardening. Low percentage of C3S and high percentage of C2S contribute to slow hardening. Absolutely true. Guys, basically heat of hydration will be less, the rate of hardening will be less, but the ultimate strength will be same. The ultimate strength will be same. Guys, and this cement is used for, this kind of cement is used for mass concreting. Mass concreting. Yes, Shantuji, absolutely. Absolutely. Good evening. Gulnaz ji, good evening. So what is the answer? D. Delhi. Next question. Next question. Which of the following shows the correct decreasing order of the rate of hydration of Portland cement compounds? Yes, because hydration is less. Absolutely. Guys, the number of likes are very less. Only 36. Since past 1 hour I am taking the session and only 36 likes. That is not justified. That is not justified. I'm giving you so much of knowledge, so much of information, and only this much reception. So what is the answer in this case, guys? Rate of hydration. Rate of hydration. C3A, C4AF, C3S and C2S, or C4AF, C3A, C3S and C2S. Answer will be D, Delhi. Answer will be D, Delhi. Yes, very good, very good. Next question. For complete hydration of cement, the water cement ratio needed is. For the complete hydration of cement, the water cement ratio needed is. They are asking about the complete hydration. If they ask you about the chemical reaction, for chemical reaction, it is 0.23. For gel water, it is 0.15. For complete hydration, it is 0.38. So answer will be what? Option C. Yes, very good, VSD. Answer will be option C. Very good. Next question. The lightweight concrete is prepared by using light aggregate by omitting sand, formation of air voids in cement paste by the substance causing foam. All options are correct. So what is the answer in this case? Yes, very good everyone. What is the answer in this case? What is the answer in this case? Answer will be all options are correct. Answer will be what? All options are correct. Right? Lightweight concrete is prepared by all these three methods. This is called as no fines concrete. No fine concrete. Foaming. Foaming is nothing but basically with the help of foaming, basically you can create more voids. If more voids is there, more porosity is there, then definitely weight will be less. Right? All options are correct. Next question. A concrete mixture is specified by basically the volume of mixing drum. No, never. Never. Horsepower of prime mover. Prime mover is nothing but the engine. They are talking about the engine. Volume of mixed concrete discharge. Yes. Yes. The mixture drum speed. No guys, never. The feeding arrangement. Yes. Whether it is tilting, non-tilting. So guys, what is the answer? 3 and 4. Which of the following options is correct? Please do check whether they are asking about the correct or not correct. So what is the answer? Basically 3 and 5. So answer will be option C. Answer will be option C. Agreed everyone? Is it clear? Shall we move to the next question? Next question. The concrete sample is cured at 15 degrees Celsius for 28 days. If the origin temperature is taken as minus 11 degree, the degrees minus 11 degrees Celsius, what is the maturity? And the unit of maturity is degree days. They can ask you in degrees Celsius hours also. They can ask you in degrees Celsius hours also. Right? Of concrete sample. So guys, what is maturity? This is the question of maturity. It is summation of temperature into time. Or I may write temperature into time. Let me write time fully. Right? How much is temperature? Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, but we take the temperature from datum, that is minus 11 degrees Celsius. Minus 11 into time, that is 28 days. So it will become how much? 26 into 28. So how much it will be? 8, 4 carryover, 16, 20, 20, 12, 2, right? 3 carryover, 7, 28. Answer will be D. Sorry. Answer will be D. Guys, answer will be D. Can somebody tell me why minus 11 degrees Celsius? Why minus 11 degrees Celsius? What is the significance of minus 11 degrees Celsius? What is the significance of minus 11 degrees Celsius? Can you just let me know what is the significance of minus 11 degrees Celsius? Because the rate of hydration ceases at minus 11 degrees Celsius. The rate of hydration ceases at minus 11 degrees Celsius. Agreed? Clear? Next. The compressive strength of 10 mm cube compared to 150 mm cube is always. See, when you decrease the size of the sample or the specimen, then basically strength will be what? More. Strength will be what? More. Right? Strength will be more. See, I have a thermos available with me. Right? So there is a H by D ratio. This is D, this is H. So if I press it, it will break easily. I have my AirPods available with me. H by D is less. If both of them are of same material, then this will show more strength. There is the science behind it. Some other time I will explain it. So what is the answer? B, Bombay, more. Very good everyone, very good. Good. Next question. Shrinkage in concrete increases its bond strength, compressive strength, flexural strength, tensile strength. If there is more shrinkage in the concrete, it will grip tightly the reinforcement. If this pen is my reinforcement, it will grip tightly the reinforcement. If it will grip tightly the reinforcement, what will be the case? What will be the case? Can you just let me know what will be the case? I don't mind bloodshot G. I don't mind. Why you are worried about it? Why you are worried about it? If there are 12, 13 or... See, if there will be 100 or there will be thousands, right? I don't care about it. I want serious students. If you are over here to learn from me, you are most welcome. Otherwise, you can take the same way as you have entered the class. Right? You have entered the class. I don't mind it. Bloodshot G. Okay, and if you have courage, then why don't you come by your original name? Why don't you come by your original name? Right? By keeping the, first of all, your name is very sadistic. Am I right or wrong, guys? The people who are watching me, am I right or wrong? Yes, Shantnuji is learning over here. Am I right or wrong? Please answer to this bloodshot. See, I shall not answer. You are the one who should answer. You are the one who should answer. These people like bloodshot. Guys, just grow up in your life. I know who all you are commenting and what you are in your life. First come to my stature and then comment. First come to my stature and then comment. I have given 13 years to this profession, and honest 13 years. And guys, it does not matter whether one student is there or basically 100 students are there. My energy level is same. Always. Come to my paid classes. Over there we teach 100 students in one batch. More than that also. And they are learning. Right? Am I right or wrong, guys? The people who are listening to me. People who are listening to me. Chale, leave them. These are all craps. These are foolish people and they will remain foolish, and basically their life is like this. Their life is like this. They cannot work, they cannot help you. You ask them, they start teaching. No, Yogesh ji, it is not for CS, I am from civil and this is for civil. Right. So what is the answer? Bond strength. Bond strength will be more. Bloodshot ji, are you there? Or lost yourself? An aggregate is known as cyclopean aggregate if its size is more than 75 mm, 4.75 mm, 30 mm, 60 mm. What is the answer? Yes. Akshay ji, don't worry. Yes, Shantanu ji, I know that. Chaliye, what is the answer? 75 mm. 75 mm. But sometimes basically it is necessary to answer these sadistic people. See, basically in Hindi there is a saying that, I'll just translate in English and let you know. It is 75 mm. Shantanu ji, it is 75 mm, not 60 mm. Basically, if a person is standing in a pond which is full of mud and he is throwing stones on the people who are passing by, right? So people are having those, that is just a name. What cyclopean? Dhanjalji, that is just a name. Just a name given. Right? So basically, so people are just ignoring him. Everybody is ignoring him because what you can do? People are well dressed. Basically, the clothes are neat and clean and nobody wants to enter into that mud to basically punish that person. And that person is taking the benefit of it. So basically somebody from the society has entered into that mud and clean it. Right? So basically it is not always good enough to ignore people, because if you will ignore people and they know that, basically you will ignore them and they will take the benefit of that. So sometimes it is good to take them on charge, and I am ready for it. Don't worry. I know I am good at it. I know that I am good at it. Right? Now, compaction factor is defined as a ratio of, it is not on, it should be off. Mass of fully compacted concrete to mass of partially compacted concrete. Mass of partially compacted concrete to mass of fully compacted concrete. So guys, this is never be the option. This is the option. Mass of partially compacted concrete to the total mass of concrete. To the total mass of concrete. Yes, right, absolutely, Shantanu. So this is not the answer. None of these. So what is the answer? Bombay. What is the answer? Bombay. Chaliye, next. As a natural material, timber is which one of the following? Isotropic, anisotropic, homogeneous or heterogeneous? Yes, partial to fully. So what is the answer? Hi Sudhakar ji, hello. Good evening. And guys, do like the session. If you are liking what I am delivering to you, do like the session. That is the only fees I demand to you. Anisotropic. Yes guys, yes, absolutely. Answer will be what? Anisotropic. That the property is different in all the directions. Anisotropic. Next, this one. Compressive strength in structural timber is maximum in the direction parallel to the grains, perpendicular to the grains, along the axis inclined at 45 degree to the grains, along an axis inclined at 60 degree to the grains. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, parallel to the grain. See, it is minimum. It is minimum perpendicular to grain. It is minimum to perpendicular to grain. Right? Very good. Answer will be parallel to the grain. Chaliye next. Next, the radial splits which are wider at outside of the log and narrower towards the pith. So wider outside and basically wider outside and narrower inside. So what is the answer? Guys, it's a very famous question. The answer is what? Star shake. Star shake. Wider outside, narrower inside. Answer is star shake. When it is other way round, wider inside and basically narrower outside, then it is called as heart shake. Wider inside means more pain is inside, that is in the heart. More pain is inside, that is in the heart. Then it is called as heart shake. Right? Remember it like this. Remember it like this. It is the easiest way to remember. Very good, everyone. Very good. Nice answer. It's not shape, it is shake. Shake is the splitting of the longitudinal fibers of the timber. Right? This is the timber, this is the cross section. So inside there are the fibers which are running parallel to the timber. If this is the piece of the log, then basically these are the fibers like this. These are the fibers like this. Thank you, Dhanjalji, thank you. Understood? Understood, Shantnuji? These are the fibers. So basically during shake, what happens? These get splits. These fibers are splits. So this is a cavity. This is a cavity. Agreed? Chaliye next point. The mortar used for masonry construction are classified based on strength in IES 2250 and IES 905 according to their designation L1, L2, H1, H2, M1, M2. The correct sequence of the increasing order of their strength. So guys, if I write it from top to bottom, H1, H2, right? M1, M2. L1, L2. This is decreasing order. This is decreasing order. H means higher strength, M means medium strength, and L means less strength. Right? And 2 means basically bad quality. Bad quality. 1 means number 1. So what is the answer? L2, L1, M2, M1, H2, H1. Answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Agreed, everyone? Do you agree? Shall we move to the next question? Chaliye, next question. The most economical method of soil conservation is to construct the check dam, construct contour bunds, drain the soil, afforest the area. Basically, afforest the area. What do I mean by this? Planting trees. Planting trees. Right, answer is D. Very good, guys. And guys, just for your information, I'm running a series on the app for irrigation. You can join and see that series. It's a very beautiful series. Complete revision of irrigation I'm doing. Complete revision of irrigation I'm doing. No, Shiny ji, I don't believe in giving PDF. I don't believe in giving PDF. I believe in listen to me. See, questions are not important at all. What is important? That is listening to my explanation. That is important. See, these questions you can find everywhere. Many teachers will discuss these questions, but the thing which is important, that is the explanation of mine. So never ever I give the PDF. I'm very sorry for it. That is against my principle. If you feel sad, I'm sorry. Right? I'm sorry for it. Come to the session, attend the session. That's it. Next, in a field under furrow irrigation, the furrows are represent. So what is furrow irrigation, guys? You can see these ridges. See, basically this, over here we have the water. This is water. This is earth embankment. Right? This is earth embankment. And basically, what is furrow in this case? These channels are furrow. These channels are furrow. Narrow ditches which carry irrigation water. So answer will be B. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Shiniji, are you there? Guys, do like the session. Guys, do like the session. That is the only thing I want from you. And if you feel happy about it, the knowledge given by me, then do share the session with your friends. Thank you for that if you do it. Now, duty at the end point of the canal minor where the government control usually ceases is called. Basically, the responsibility of government is only up to the minor canal or minor distributary, or up to the tail of the minor canal, or up to the head of water course. From the head of water course, it is the responsibility of, from the head of the water course, it is the responsibility of, that is the farmers, right? And at the head of the water course, the duty is called as outlet duty. The duty is called as outlet duty. Agreed, guys? Outlet duty. Next, a field of 500 hectares is to be irrigated for a particular crop having 100 days base period. The total depth of water required by the crop is 10 centimeter. Right? Calculate the duty of water in hectare. See, guys, this question is very easy, but people generally get confused with this question. Question is very easy. Can I have the answer from your side? Can I have the answer from your side? What is the answer? See, D into delta is equal to 8.64B, right? So basically we need to calculate duty. So 8.64 into B, base period, that is 100. Delta is 100 centimeters, so 1 meter. So how much? 864. Answer is Delhi. Very good. Next question. 10 cubic of water is diverted to a 30 hectare of field for 4 hours. Soil proving after irrigation showed that 0.3 meter water has been stored in the root zone. Water application efficiency in that case would be. Water application efficiency in that case would be. So guys, how much will be water application efficiency? Can you just let me know? Can you just let me know what is the water application efficiency? Eta A, water stored in the field divided by water delivered to the field. So how much is water stored in the field? How much is water stored in the field? So 0.3 meter water is stored in the field, right? And water delivered 10 into 4 into 3600 divided by 32 into 10 to the power of 4. So how much it will be? Right? So basically this much volume of water, this is the area. So how much it will be? 36 into 4 divided by 32 into 10. So basically this will be 8, right? This will be how much? 18, 4. Agreed? This will be 9, 2. Right? Let me put it like this. 9 by 20. Right? 9 by 20. So water stored is 0.3. 9 by 20. So it will be 3 into 2 by 9. 1/3. 66.67%. So answer will be what? Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Very good. Chaliye, next question. The critical velocity V naught, it is like this. V naught 0.55 m y to the power of 0.64 as suggested by Kennedy for design of trapezoidal irrigation channel. The maximum permissible velocity, the minimum permissible velocity, both A and B, none of the above. Okay, fine. Shantnuji, everybody has their own approach. That's not an issue. You can put the volume in the numerator and the volume in the denominator. You'll get the same answer because the area is same. Or you can have the depth. So that does not matter. See, it's just mathematics. We can have different approaches of mathematics because mathematics is associative. Right. So what is the answer? Answer will be none of them because it is non-silting and non-scouring velocity. It is also called as critical velocity by the Kennedy. It is also called as critical velocity by the Kennedy. Agreed, guys? Next. This one. Consider the following statements. The general depth of scour. Okay, the statements 1, 2, 3, 4. The Lacey formula in a river, calculated by Lacey formula in a river, represents the depth below. Depth below. Maximum flood level in the river, minimum flow water level in the river, normal water level in the river, existing riverbed level. So from where we calculate the scouring depth? So from where we calculate the scouring depth? Can I have the answer, guys? Answer is D, Delhi. That is only the maximum flood level in the river. Only one. Exactly, Shantnuji. Only one. Exactly. Exactly, everyone. Guys, do hit the like button. We are just falling short of 6 or 7 likes in 50. So at least have a half century. It is the season of IPL, right? At least have half century. Next. And guys, do share the session with your friends. If you find it useful, do share the session with your friends. Next. Alluvium with a median size of 0.36 mm. The Lacey silt factor, the value, silt factor F of value. So how much is F? F is equal to 1.76 under root D in terms of mm. So 1.76 under root D 0.36. So 1.76 into 0.6 and that is 1 point something. So answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Is it, guys, clear? हाँ देखो, जो आईपीएल देख रहे हैं ना वो देखते ही रहेंगे, वो टीवी पे ही देखते रहेंगे, ठीक है। और जो अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, who are gaining the knowledge, they may go and effort in the stadium later, right? That's the point, and that is the difference, and it will create difference, guys, to your life. Now, okay, options A, B, C and D. Today only I have discussed the same question in the app. See, in app it's a detailed series. Over here I'm just having basically revision of yours. It's a marathon revision, right? Marathon revision. So what is the answer? Answer will be Delhi. Basically antidunes are developed for supercritical flow. And when the flow is supercritical, when Froude number is greater than 1. Froude number is greater than 1. Is it clear? Next question. For a gravel of median size 11 am, the critical shear stress is about. For a gravel of median size 11 am, the critical stress is about how much? Tau C, gamma W, D by 11. Tau C, gamma W, D by 11, right? So how much it will be? Basically 9.81 or 10 you can have. Let me have 10. 11 by 11. So answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Agreed everyone? Guys, do hit the like button. Do hit the like button. I need only 7 to 8 likes and then our job is done. My target is done for today. 50 likes are good enough in a marathon session. Answer is Bombay. So guys, do hit the like button and do also tell your friends to like the session if they find it useful. See, only those people will like the session who find it useful. That is the only point. Yes, clear? A triangular lined section with corners rounded by a radius equal to full supply depth of 4 meter is likely to have hydraulic radius. Guys, in triangular section, R is equal to Y by 2. R is equal to Y by 2. See, gamma WRS, Shantanu ji, gamma WRS is for the flow water. That is for the flow water. So how much it will be? 2 meter. Right? Next. Alkali soils are reclaimed by. See, alkali soils can be reclaimed by leaching. But sometimes leaching is not good enough when Na2CO3 is present, because this is not soluble in water. In that case we add gypsum, and gypsum is CaSO4, right? They react, sulfate replace the carbonates, so it becomes Na2SO4 and calcium carbonates that precipitates, and it can be easily removed. And calcium carbonate, Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, can be easily removed, that is more soluble in the water, and calcium carbonate is not harmful, right? So answer will be Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. For 12th, answer will be Bombay. Agreed everyone? By adding gypsum nothing happens. Shantanu ji, by adding gypsum nothing will happen. Right. Next. Guys, did you like the session? You know, this session is continuing by myself only for more than 1 hour 45 minutes. I started at sharp 6. And do you feel any reduction in the energy? In the starting and Almost we are at the end. 3 more questions after it. Are you guys loving it? Yes or no? Which is the critical combination of vertical and horizontal earthquake acceleration to be considered for checking the stability of gravity dam? So which is the worst condition? Which is the worst condition, guys? The worst condition is, see, this is the dam. When the alpha V is acting downward, the net weight of the dam gets reduced. The net weight of the dam gets reduced. Yes, Santunji, you are from the beginning. Thank you, Sheniji, thank you. High power. See, I don't have power, I have current and voltage. I don't believe in power. I believe in current and voltage. Right. So this is one case, and another case. When alpha, it is reservoir full. When alpha H is acting upstream, basically there will be one more force acting on the body of the dam, and that is towards downstream. It will be in addition to the hydrostatic force. Water is there, hydrostatic force will also be there. So basically answer C. Next question. पूरा रिवीजन हुआ? थैंक यू guys. Now, what is the height of wave likely to be generated with a wind of 80 km per hour having a fetch length of 50 km? So in this case, guys, height of wave HW is equal to 0.032 under root VF. V is velocity of wind in kilometer per hour, 0.032, and F is fetch length in terms of kilometer. So 80 into 50, right? So it will be 0.32 into 40. 8 5 is 40. 1 0 I am taking it out, so 1 0 I have removed over here. So 0.3 into under root 40. Under root 40 will be somewhere around basically 36 and 49, right? 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So under root 40, somewhere between them, 6.3, 6.4. So if you just multiply it, how much it will come? 6.3, 6.4, 1/3 of it. 1/3 of it. So 2.1. So nearly the answer will be C, option C. See, without using calculator also you can get to the answer. Without using calculator also you can get to the answer. Yes, Shantnuji, when fetch length is greater than 32 km, not V, F. When F is greater than 32 km, we use this. Right. Last question of the day, guys. Last question of the day. The base of a gravity dam section, the vertical stress at the toe was found to be 2 MPa. Okay. Sigma T, 2 MPa. If the downstream face of the dam has a slope of 0.07 horizontal, 1 vertical, if there is no tailwater, the maximum principal stress at the toe. Okay, maximum principal stress, sigma 1 will be equal to sigma T sec square alpha. Right? So basically this is the case. Right? This one is how much? 0.707, and this one is 1. This is alpha. This is alpha. So how much will be tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to 0.70 P by B, 707. So sec square alpha, that is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha. And how much it will be? And guys, this is basically how much it will be? 1 plus tan square alpha. Can you just let me know? How much is 1 plus x square alpha? Sorry, 1 plus tan square alpha. How much is that? Is it coming B? But I want this answer. Yes, it is coming 1.5. So 1.5. So it will be how much? 1.5 into 2. So it will be B. 3. So guys, that's all for the today's session. And guys, please do download BYJU'S exam prep app, the most comprehensive preparation app in our country. So guys, that's all for today's session. Will you like the session? It was 2 hours complete marathon with the full of energy, guys. With the full of energy. Did you like the session? Have you enjoyed the session? Just let me know in the comment box quickly, without wasting your time. Just let me know in the comment box quickly. And will you share the session with your friends? Yes or no? Will you share the session with your friends? Yes or no? Yes. I'm always full of energy, Shantnuji. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, Akshayji, don't worry. You can see the recorded. So guys, I'll take your leave and guys, I will join you tomorrow at 10 a.m. on BYJU'S exam prep app. And basically guys, tomorrow at 5 p.m. I'm having a very beautiful session, that is Toppers Talk. Right? Toppers Talk. And basically tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'll be having a general session. Basically how many marks you should get to get a PSC job from GATE. So that will be the major topic around which I'll be having a discussion tomorrow. Yes, Shantnuji, thank you. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much guys. Love you all. So guys, do take good care of yourself and guys, good night everyone. Thank you guys. Good night. Over and out from my side. Jai Hind guys.